Some experts think that Bitcoin will go back to 30K in the next few months. I think this is possible, judging from a few things that I'm going to talk about in this video. But please do not forget that investment advice is not my thing. Anything you hear in this video is purely for educational purpose and nothing more. Please make sure you do extensive personal research before you part with your money. Now let's dive right into this video. As we all know, the price of Bitcoin got below 30K. We thought it was going to end there, but it didn't. It got worse. It got below 20K also, and everybody thought it was going to get as low as 10K. Some experts even thought it was going to get to $8,000 per Bitcoin. But so far, we've not seen that. But the good news is that as at the time of filming this video, the price of Bitcoin is showing some positive signs. It is sitting above $23,000, and that's a good thing. In fact, large institutions sold about 5.5 billion in BTC since May, and we're still here. This is according to an analyst from Arcane Research. According to the research, since May 10, as much as 236,237 Bitcoins worth over $5.4 billion have been sold. According to the research, the sell pressure was caused by a number of factors, and one of them being the Lunar Foundation Guard. Of course, we know they controlled funds for the Terra project. They dumped over 80,000 Bitcoins in an effort to protect its native Terra USDT Classic stablecoin in May, but we know the project failed. And this failed Terra project put pressure on some Bitcoin miners to sell. According to the research, also about 19,000 coins between May and June were sold by Bitcoin miners. In some cases, the miners were selling more than their monthly production. According to the research also, another factor that contributed to a further nosedive in the price of Bitcoin was Elon Musk's Tesla. They also sold about 29,000 Bitcoins by the end of the second quarter. Supporting this report is Tesla's recent revelation. It revealed that approximately 75% of its Bitcoin were offloaded between April the 1st and the end of June. And at the same time, the Three Arrows Capital 3AC crypto investment firm also over-leveraged, and they owed lenders over 18,000 BTC and other coins coming up to 22,054 Bitcoins. And another factor was the huge 24,510 BTC redemption that took place at the Canadian Purpose Bitcoin Exchange Traded Fund in late June, which further created another sell pressure in the market. That redemption accounted for about 51% of the ETF's holdings. In spite of these factors that we have highlighted, the Bitcoin market remains remarkably very strong. And the CEO of Presto Labs, a Singapore-based market maker, also agrees that some of the factors highlighted by this research was completely responsible for the drop in the price of Bitcoin. And he also agrees that the price of Bitcoin could go back to $30,000 within the next few months. Okay, so this is it for this video. These are a few things we just uncovered. If you love crypto content like this, make sure you're subscribed. This is BrigsLBs, and it's your guy Ken signing out.